Okay, we're gonna change the right engine mount because of extreme shaking and vibration that radiates inside the cabin of the car. So we're looking at removing this plastic so we can remove this reservoir and then swing it here. Then remove the engine cover. So we're gonna get this and this so we can swing it. One here, really out. This is the one. So simply get this out of the way. We will be using a jack and a block of wood because we're going to support this part of the engine. We're going to remove this mount, but you don't have to worry because it's still being held by one, and there's two, and there's three, so we're just supporting the weight here. That's the oil pan. We need a block of wood so it will support, because this is made of aluminum. We don't want the jack to puncture this, so the block of wood will go from end to end. We'll just make the jack just to touch it. We're not going to lift it. Now let's start to jack it up to support. Just enough. You can feel the pressure. Stop. Okay, this is the new one. There's a bolt that goes here. It's a 14 mil, and we have to remove the cover to get an axis. It's a 14 millimeter. That goes there. Here. This goes. The one that goes here. Remove the cable holder and get this out of the way. Here will be okay. Then we're gonna remove that bolt, this, and that. 17 millimeter socket extension, and your drill ready. One down, two down, and do the rest. Last two. They're about the same size, so they can be interchangeable. And just wiggle a little bit and make your way out, and the baby is out. So let's compare the new one and the previous one. You can see the difference. This sunk and it bulges here at the bottom. So diagnostic is correct. We're gonna replace it now. So just simply drop it down and reverse the process. Jack it a little bit so the gap here and this will be, this one should be touching this, and get your wrench ready. And we're gonna torque this down. And let's torque this down to 50 foot-pounds. The one here, 50. And let's do an 80 here, the one that connects to the main engine. There you go.